Hello everybody, welcome to the channel Revolutionary Readers. I am your history learner. Today's our topic will be establishment of European empires. In 15th century, the European traders are exploring the world and connecting whole world by sea routes, like Portuguese, Britishers and Dutch. They had tried to connect the world by sea routes because the trade from sea routes was quite easily from the trade routes from the land. In 1498, Vasco da Gama, who is a Portuguese trader, started a journey for finding a new land for the trades, and he started his journey from Portuguese and he came across the African continent at its tip, the point also known as of Good Hopes. There further he had started his journey across India and he came to Calicut, Kozhikode, Kerala. In 1498, Islam controlled the most political territories in India, which was further divided into small princely states like Delhi Sultan, Bengal Sultan, Gujarat Sultan and Malwa Sultan, Bahmani Sultan, and they all were fighting with each other for their territories. Some had collided with each other and some fought with each other. In 1530, further Portuguese traders came to India and established their capital in Goa. Did their first printing press in 1959 in Goa. Cultivation of tobacco, potato, pineapple, chilies, tomato, cashews, nuts, coconut of better varieties were produced there. Barter system was introduced by Al-Bikr in order to establish monopoly over Indian Ocean. Portuguese were producing silk from Surat, opium from Maharashtra and spices from Karnataka. Establishment of Dutch East India Company in India. Dutch East India Company (VOC) was established on 20th March 1602 as a state-sponsored chartered company to consolidate Dutch effort in lucrative spice trade and assert dominance over Portuguese and Spanish influences in the region. Dutch acquired all the Portuguese settlement on Malabar coast in 1663. Dutch has established first MNC in the world and also was the first company to issue stocks. Dutch East India Company. Arrival of East India Company. The East India Company arrived in India in early 17th century. It was originally chartered by Queen Elizabeth I on December 31, 1600 as a joint stock company to trade in its Indian Ocean region. Originally called the Governor and Company of Merchant of London Trade into the East Indies, the company was a joint stock enterprise, meaning its shares were owned by aristocrats and wealthy merchants. It started a trading organization dealing in cotton, silk, indigo dye, sapphire, tea and opium. First came in Indonesia in 1601. Due to influence of Dutch, Portuguese and Spanish dominance, they came to India. During that time, many conflicts were held between Britishers, Portuguese, Dutch and French companies. On 24th August 1608, Britishers had arrived in Surat. After landing in Surat, Gujarat, Captain William Hawke was sent first to ask the permission for Jahangir in 1608 for trading in their area. But Jahangir had denied the trade to William Hawking. And they had established their first company in Andhra Pradesh, Machilipatnam. There was no influence of Mughal traders.